Many people are looking for a way to recover Snapchat photos from Android phone. So to help you address the problem, 3 quick and safe ways to restore Snapchat pictures on Android will be introduced in this video. Method 1. How to retrieve Snapchat photos from Android via cache files. Steps to restore Android Snapchat photos from cache files. Connect Android to computer, open this PC, select phone, and access internal storage. Android data, Snapchat, Android cache, received image snaps. Method 2. Restore Snapchat photos on Android from Cloud Google Photos. Open Google Photos, sign in, and select Photos or Albums with Snapchat pictures. Choose desired images. Click More Options, Download to recover Snapchat photos on Android. Method 3. Recover Snapchat photos on Android using Snapchat recovery software without backup. Suppose that you cannot find the wanted Snapchat images from cache files and have not backed up them to a cloud, then a recovery tool is what you need.